Crizzle-lizzle-lackin', everybody. Today is Hump Day, Wednesday, March 24th, 2021. Yep, 24th. 1 week left in the month after today. Come on. You got to get together, get it going. Come on, get shredded. I told you, you only got so much time before the summer starts, so you better get it together, like now. So anyway, enough of my little inspiration that nobody listens to. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share, comment, turn post notifications on, all those fun things. Tabata workout today in the field. What do I got here? We got med ball, not the heavy 80-pounder, thank God. It's the 40-pounder we're gonna use. I got a 35-pound dumbbell, and I got the cones. That's it. Everything else is basically cardio and body weight stuff. So 12 exercises, 1 round, 3 rounds, 6 minutes a round, 18 minutes total of work today. It's all you need to do to get started. And the sun, let me tell you, it's right in my fucking face. I can't even see. I can see you, I can see me, but yeah, I can hold it right there. It's perfect. So, but anyway, it looks good. The body's shredded with the sun shining on it. 3 days of fasting. This is what 3 days of fasting looks like, and just a little bit of, drinking water and coffee. That's all I drink. Water, coffee, sweat. That's consisting my diet for 3 days, for 80 hours. Water, coffee, espresso, whatever, no milk or nothing, and sweat and work and grinding. So anyway, let's get to it, shall we? We got a lot of stuff to do today. We got to start this stupid timer. We're gonna get the body going. All right, here we go, 10 seconds. First thing we got is high knee skips. Skip down to the end and skip back. 4, 3. Here we go, skip, up. And skip back. That's it, get that warmed up. I don't know if you can see the nice lake out there. It's nice. Okay, what do we got? Med ball slam over here. Pick it up, slam it. Go, pick it up, slam it. 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 Up, one more. Slam it. Med ball toss. So you're gonna do this. Flip it overhead. Run and get it, flip it back. Like that. Trust me, it ain't no joke right there. Pick it up, launch it. That's a lot. Ooh, it's heavy. All right, med ball core twist. One of my favorites. He's out of breath. Pick it up. Twist. It's all dirty. Hey, get right in here. Get right in there. This is where all the muscles are in play. Because you got to squeeze the core. You're holding up the med ball for the arms and shoulders. And this is what we got to do. This is how it works. That's it. Bear cross. Crawl. Up about 10 yards and turn around. Crawl. Crawl, crawl, crawl. Flip it. Come on back. You can go fast like this, or slow. Just get it done. Dumbbell snatch. Oh, the hands are dirty. Okay, this is where we take the dumbbell from the ground, right up overhead. Watch this. Right arm first. Up and over. Down, up and over. You're gonna squat, up and over. That's it. Up and over. Up and over. One more. Whew. That's your right. Now we go left. Whew. It's hot out here today. It's a good day. Left Left-hand snatch. Let's go. Up and over. Remember, down, tap, up and over. Remember, tap, up and over. You want to make a noise? Go for it. This isn't one of those gyms where you got to be quiet. This is a loud gym. I can spit. All right, 4 dumbbell chops right here. Overhead, chop it. Overhead, chop it. Overhead, chop. So the chop is you're coming down, using your core to stop it yourself. Like that. Woo. Burpee, broad jumps. So do a couple out, couple back. It's easy. So you're gonna burpee, get up, jump, burpee. Turn around, burpee, jump, burpee, jump, burpee, jump. Woo. Med ball, squat, to overhead. So you go here, we're gonna squat like that and then overhead. Squat, you can bring it here and then overhead. Here, almost like a push press. Oh my God, he's dying. Med ball, up and downs. Put it right here. Go down, 2 knees. Get up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Oh my God. Last. Dumbbell. Straight arm. Twist. Dumbbell comes out. Twist it. Twist it. Arm out. Come on. All the way around. All the way. I'm over here. Oh yeah. He is winded. That was tough. Don't mind if I have some water. Because that one round wipes you out. Whew. That's what I say is a workout. Like I said, that's just one round. We got 2 more to go. Get a quick break and get back at it. But that sun is blazing. Oh my God. Think about, like I said, it's March 24th. Think about a month from now, 2 months from now, when it's 90 degrees and that sun is blazing, you'll just be pouring sweat with just being out here for 5 minutes. So don't forget to subscribe, all those fun things. Follow me, Neil, the grinding wheel. I love it in the sun, by the way. I love, besides it being in my face, I like having the little sweat. I'm all dirty now too, actually, so, but I like having that, you know, core. Looks good. You're like, that's how it is. You could do the same. Do some fasting, work out, get your body going, do something. Anyway, Neil the grinding wheel, peace.